here and Rina is here too. So if you don't know me yet, my name is Rina. I'm a professional makeup artist and here's my Instagram page so you can know more about me, see a lot of makeup. And for today's makeup, I want to show you something for spring using Too Faced makeup. I love this one. I know it was a limited edition for Christmas, but it's so beautiful. Guys, it's really so beautiful. Just take a look. Okay, take a look. Yeah, I'm crazy, I know. So, I'm not gonna talk anymore about anything. Only about makeup. So, if you're ready, let us start. Start with applying eyeshadow base or just concealer all over your eyes. Then you may take I'm taking a lip pencil. You may take any pink pencil you want to. Maybe pink, maybe more like more dark, maybe it's up to you. It depends only on you. So and I'm starting to draw my eyeliner just with using this and I'm taking tiny brush to blend it and to make our winged eyeliner. So for today's makeup, I'm using my favorite. It's really one of my best things I ever had. So it's Too Faced and we will start with this beautiful eyeshadow. Ouch. And we're applying it all over our eyeliner. So start adding it on your eyeliner and just a little bit more, a little bit over your eyeliner. Then I'm using this one. And I'm applying it all over my middle part of the eye and just a little bit getting into our eyeliner. You don't want to get somewhere outside. Just let there a little bit, just 2 millimeters, and it will be okay. If you made mistake, you may take the same brush you used before and just get in a little bit over it. and blend them together. Get into the middle, to the middle, blending our eyeliner with our middle. And Tinseltown. Tinseltown is right here, and I'm applying it just by using my finger. So, and we'll apply it from the beginning. Just blending them a little bit with each other. Okay. Beautiful. So, I'm taking our first eyeshadow again and getting to the under eye area. Under eye area, and mixing it just a little bit with our eyeliner. The second eyeshadow we used, and we just used it all over our middle part of the eye. You may want to add it a little bit to the end. And blend a little bit to our eye corner. So it will look something like this. And final step, you may also use Tinseltown and apply it to the beginning of your eye. And we will also use it like a highlighter. So here it is. And now what's left? We just need to add a little bit of real highlighter. So, where is my brush? Why I cannot find anything today? So, here it is. So, I'm applying under my brow this beautiful, beautiful. I love Solstice. I don't like package. I love Solstice. It's Too Faced Day, so here it is. Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Yeah. And what's left is all my face. So for today's base makeup, I'm using Korean Pig Collagen, just instead of using something like cream or makeup base, makeup primer for my face. I like this one, really. So you don't need a lot, you just need just a little bit. I even thought about not using anything for face makeup today. So I wanted to make only eyes, but life's complicated. Or maybe, just maybe, I'm doing my brows just using beige cosmetics. It's not about heavy makeup, so I'm just filling my brows just a little bit. Just a little bit using beige cosmetics. Natural Face from Too Faced. I would like to say I was when just, you know, I'm crazy, I can do like this. So I want to apply just a little bit of pink wing. And for contouring, today I'm using Catrice. You may see I like this one. So, just a little bit, because our today's makeup is more like natural, more spring. Yeah, it's spring makeup. Yeah, why not? I can see flowers, I can see butterflies. No, I can't. I sit at home while quarantine is somewhere here. And I'll use a little bit of this highlighter for my nose, for my angel bow, for my cheeks. I mean cheekbones. Thank you so much for watching this video and being with me. I really hope you like it, and if you do, please let me know. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and see you soon. Bye bye, and remember that you're already beautiful.